What if your environment shapes who you are? Today, we dive into environmental determinism. This theory states that the physical environment determines human development and culture. It has roots in ancient civilizations, including China, Greece, and Rome. For example, Guan Zhong believed rivers shaped the character of nearby people. In the 19th century, scholars emphasized environmental factors to explain societal differences. This theory was misused to justify colonialism, suggesting European dominance was natural. One prominent modern advocate is Jared Diamond. His book, Guns, Germs, and Steel, argues geography is crucial for historical development. Diamond proposes that human success isn't about inherent qualities but geography. Let's break down his key points. First, the east-west axis of Eurasia allowed easy spread of crops and technology. Next, Eurasia boasted more domesticable plants and animals, enabling agriculture. Then, food production became the foundation for population growth and technology. Lastly, close contact with animals led to diseases that shaped immunity. Now, let's visualize this. Imagine a map showing Eurasia's east-west axis compared to Africa and the Americas. Notice how agriculture and technology spread easily in Eurasia while limited in the north-south regions. However, environmental determinism isn't without criticism. Critics argue it oversimplifies the relationship between environment and society. Also, it downplays human choices and creativity in history. Additionally, it can present a narrative that makes outcomes seem inevitable, ignoring unpredictability. It may also naturalize inequalities, making them appear environmentally determined rather than resulting from power dynamics. Lastly, methodological issues arise. Some studies proposing environmental causes may lack evidence and rely on shaky assumptions. In summary, environmental determinism teaches us about the link between environment and human society. However, it's crucial to recognize human agency and the complexity of history. Embrace the lessons of geography, but don't forget the power of human choices. Interested in exploring more about this topic? Subscribe to our channel for in-depth analyses and engaging discussions on history and culture.